Nestled deep in African swamps, the shoebill stork could easily be mistaken for a dinosaur's cousin. With a face only a mother could love, this bird's massive shoe-shaped beak is the reason behind its quirky name. Unlike most avians, they boast a jaw-dropping height of up to 5 feet. Impressive, right? Their large beak isn't just for show, it's a lethal tool for snatching fish. But here's the mind-blowing part. They can remain motionless in water, waiting for prey. And yes, they can breathe underwater thanks to special cavities in their bill. Parenting? Shoebills take it seriously. Only one chick is pampered, while its siblings… well, let's just say it's a tough bird world out there. As the sun sets over the swamp, the shoebill stands tall, a relic of ancient times amidst the whispers of the reeds.